Hey y'all, if you guys are looking to make a really beautiful birthday cake for your child off of a store brand cake just like this one, this is just a plain blue and white birthday cake that I got at my local fry store. So we turned this birthday cake into an Among Us birthday cake, and I will show you step by step. So this is what it looks like before. And this is the afterwards. As you can see, all the Among Us. I bought all these stuff on Amazon, and I will definitely link all the details in the description so you can purchase this if you want to make your cake look like this. So let's go on and move our way on how to do this. Alright, so this is our standard cake that we had received or purchased at Fry's. This is your standard birthday cake. It does say happy birthday in blue. It's got the frosting at the top and at the bottom. So what we want to do is we want to take all these little frosting flowers on the top. We want to remove that, as well as the frosting at the bottom. So what we did was we melted the frosting from the top and the bottom. We're just going to use that frosting to go around the cake to give it like the space effect. So we'll take all the blue all the way around the sides of the cake as well as on top of the cake. Just keep spreading that evenly. So now that we got it all spreaded around the top and on the sides, we want to just finish it off to get that space looking like the comet and everything. So we'll do a little swirls at the top, finish it up on the sides. So when I decided to do this cake, I took two different cakes and merged it into one. I did see one that has a Kit Kat cake where they actually use the Kit Kats all the way around, and in the other cake it was just a regular Among Us cake. So I took both designs and made it in one. So I decided to do blue, that way it'll look like the solar system. So you can see with these little swirls right here. Next we're going to do is put all the Kit Kats around. So we'll do them right next to each other, make sure that they fit. Making sure that we're not putting any in the front, because this is where I'm going to do my drawing design, because this is the imposter cake, so I will be putting imposter in the front. So we're just going to do a round on the back. And you want to make sure you have your Kit Kats nice and tight and squeezed up to the frosting or they will fall out. So make sure they are tight around, push them in toward the cake. Should just go all the way around, checking to make sure that they are straight. Just make them as straight as you can. Some of mine were cut the wrong way. So just get them as nicely as you can. So at the bottom here you can see this cake little cardboard. I actually picked these ones up online, and I will link that as well. So it looks like the stars. So right here we do have the Among Us set. This has all different Among Us, the different colors. You've got your orange, your purple, your blues, your greens, your reds, your pinks. So these are individually wrapped. So like this one here has a hat. Some of them do have top hats. Some of them have horns. Some have deer horns. Some don't have any top hats. This one already has something in it. This one here has like a little hat for the top. So each one of these have something. And I'm going to use these for the cake as part of the cake decorations. This comes in a whole set. So everything you see here comes in this one set. And this is what you get. Alright, so now we have the cake topper. This is the Among Us Not Me Happy Birthday cake topper. It does come with a cardboard in the back to make sure that it doesn't get squished. It has a little alien ship at the top and a couple dead body Among Us. And this is what it looks like in the back. It's silver. This one says Not Me. So now we're going to put the cake topper at the top. This is what it looks like when it's completely covered with blue frosting. So now we're just going to add our little pearl beads as well as our little stars. So this is our white pearl beads. We're going to put some in the front, careful because these are very slippery and they do pop out. So we'll just put some at the front right here. And then with some red frosting, I put in Imposter. Some blue and red at the bottom of the pan part. I'm going to put Noah in red and blue. So we're just going to finish off with the pearls and stars. So we have Noah number 9. We have imposters all over here. See all the Among Us. You have where you could take the tops off from the bottom. You can see the bones. You have the top hats. We just added them all the way around and as well on top. So these pearls are actually edible as well as the stars. They are all edible. So this just gives the finishing touches. And then we decided to do the red and blue for Noah. And then we just put the Among Us all the way around next to the Kit Kats and some stars to make it look a lot more festival. And then we put our candles a little bit on the side and up on the top on the curve so it doesn't burn the happy birthday sign. So what we did was take our local grocery store birthday cake and turn it into this Among Us fantastic birthday cake. As you can see through the whole video, it was super easy. All we did was remove a couple of the frosting at the top and the sign. We used the frosting color to color around the cake, some Among Us toys around it, and we just threw some stuff on. So this is how we made our grocery store into our Among Us birthday cake. So if you did like how this turned out, using a regular cake into this Among Us imposter birthday cake, give us a like and a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. We enjoyed making this birthday cake. If you have any other suggestions, we might go ahead and do that. Go ahead and put your suggestions at the bottom and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching.